Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use the ship's sounding table. We will determine the volume and mass of a liquid inside the tank, which is very important in stability calculation. It includes how to find the free surface moments of a slack tank, which is needed to find the fluid kg and fluid gm. This is a sample of a ship's 4-peak tank sounding table. It shows here that the data below are obtained based on the ballast water with a specific gravity or relative density of 1.025. The first column shows a sounding of a liquid inside the 4-peak tank in centimeters, and the second column is the ullage. For the third up to the sixth column, these are the values of the volume of liquid in cubic meters on different trim conditions. The trim corrections in this table start from -2 meters to -4.5 meters. If the trim is negative, it means that it is trimmed by the stern, and if it is positive, then it is trimmed by the head. This particular sounding table only shows the value of volume when the ship is trimmed by the stern, since the trim correction only shows a negative sign. We can also find the LCG, TCG, and VCG in this table. In the last column, we can find the value of a free surface moment. This value is very important in calculating the fluid gm. At the top, you can see that the heel is 0 degree, which means that the given data below is when the ship is in upright condition. If the ship is listing, then we need to apply the heel correction. Let us have some exercise. The ship's 4-peak tank is filled with ballast water to a sounding of 156 centimeters, the density is 1.016 tons per cubic meter, and the ship's trim is 2.35 meters by the stern. Determine the mass, the vertical center of gravity or VCG, and the free surface moment of the ballast water inside the tank. The first step is to find the value of the volume of ballast water inside the 4-peak tank. As we can see in the first column of the sounding table, there is no sounding of 156 centimeters. So we will take the next lesser and the next higher sounding, which are 150 and 160 centimeters. Then we will find the volume for the ship's present trim condition, which is -2.35 meters, since the ship's trim is by the stern. But as we can see, there is no trim of -2.35 meters. So we will take the next lesser and next higher trim value, which is -2.0 and -2.5 meters. The value of volume for the sounding of 150 centimeters, at a trim of -2.0 meters, the volume is 12.16 cubic meter. And at a trim of -2.5 meters, the volume is 12.10 cubic meter. Now for the sounding of 160 centimeters, at a trim of -2.0 meters, the volume is 13.77 cubic meter. And at a trim of -2.5 meters, the volume is 13.70 cubic meter. What we need to find here is the volume of the ballast water inside the 4-peak tank, in which the sounding is 156 centimeters at a trim of -2.35 meters. So the value in this box is what we are looking for. In this scenario, we have a double interpolation. But we will not go through the fundamentals of interpolation. We will use a scientific calculator in this interpolation. I choose to use the FX82MS and the FX991ES Plus scientific calculators so that you can choose which procedure is appropriate to your existing calculator. I will use the FX82MS first. So we have 3 interpolations in order to determine the exact volume of the ballast water. First, we will determine the volume for the sounding of 156 centimeters, at a trim of -2.0 meters. So switch on your calculator. The calculator that you have seen now on your screen is the installed calculator on my Android phone, but it has the same functionality with FX82MS. First, click the Mode button in your FX82MS. After clicking the Mode button, click number 3 to choose the regression mode. But if you have installed this kind of calculator on your Android phone, you need to press the scroll button to the right, and then press number 2 to choose the regression mode. This is the only procedure that differs from the real FX82MS, the rest of the functions are all the same. After pressing the number 2 or 3, which is the regression mode, choose linear, so press 1. Your calculator now is in regression mode and ready to be used for interpolation. So enter the sounding of 150, press the comma button, then enter the corresponding volume at a trim of -2.0, which is 12.16, then press the M+ or memory plus. Next, enter the sounding of 160, then press the comma, then enter the corresponding volume at a trim of -2.0, which is 13.77, then press the M+. Next, enter the required sounding, which is 156, then press Shift, then choose S var or number 2, then press the scroll button to the right 3 times and select the Y symbol, so press number 2. To find the value of 156Y, press the equal button. So the volume for the sounding of 156 centimeters at a trim of -2.0 is 13.126 cubic meter. To check if this is correct, the value of our answer should be within the range of 12.16 to 13.77 cubic meter, and our answer is within the range of this value. So this is correct. The next step is to determine the volume of the ballast water in the forepeak tank for the sounding of 156 centimeters at a trim of -2.5 meters. The value in this box will be our second step. But first, we need to clear everything that we have entered in our calculator. So press the AC button, then press the Shift button. Next, press the Mode or Clear button. Then select Stat Clear, so press number 1. When Stat Clear appears, press the equal button several times to be sure that everything will be erased. Let us start our second interpolation. The procedures are the same in the first step, but this time we will enter the corresponding value of volume at a trim of -2.5 meters. So enter the sounding of 150, then press comma, and enter the volume, which is 12.10, then press M+. Next, enter the sounding of 160, then press comma, then enter the volume, which is 13.70, then press M+. Next, enter the required sounding, which is 156. Then press the Shift button, then press number 2. Next, press the scroll button to the right 3 times. Then select number 2. And press the equal button. So the volume for the sounding of 156 centimeters at a trim of -2.5 is 13.06 cubic meter. The next step will be the third and final step of our interpolation to find the volume of the ballast water in the forepeak tank for the sounding of 156 centimeters at a trim of -2.35 meters. This is our final step. But we need to clear everything that we have entered in our calculator. So press the AC button, then press the Shift button. Next, press the Mode or Clear button. Then press number 1. And press the equal button several times, to be sure that everything will be erased. So to start, enter the trim of 2.0, just disregard the negative sign. Then press the comma button. Next, enter the corresponding volume at a sounding of 156 centimeters, which is 13.126. Then press the memory plus. Next, enter the trim of 2.5, disregard the negative sign. Then press the comma button. Enter the corresponding volume at a sounding of 156 centimeters, which is 13.06. Then press the memory plus. Then enter the required trim, which is 2.35, disregard the negative sign. Then press the Shift button, then press number 2. Next, press the scroll button to the right 3 times. Then select number 2. And press the equal button. So the volume for the sounding of 156 centimeters at a trim of -2.35 is 13.080 cubic meter. Let us try this FX991ES calculator. First, we will find the value of volume for the sounding of 156 centimeters at a trim of -2.0 meters. So switch on your calculator. Then press the Mode button. Select the stat, so press number 3. Then select this equation, so press number 2. In column X, we will enter the value of sounding. In column Y, we will enter the value of volume. So let's start. Enter the sounding of 150, then press the equal button. Next, enter the sounding of 160, then press the equal button. Next, press the cursor to the right, once. Then press the cursor up, 2 times. The position of the shaded rectangle should be here. Then enter the corresponding volume for the sounding of 150 cm at a trim of -2.0, which is 12.16. Then press the equal button. Next, enter the corresponding volume for the sounding of 160 cm, which is 13.77. And press the equal button. So this is what it looks like on your screen. Then, press the AC button to save it in the memory. Then enter the required sounding, which is 156. Then press the Shift button. Then press number 1. Next, select the regression mode, so press number 5. Then select this Y or regression symbol, so press number 5 again. Then press the equal button. And we have 13.126 cubic meter. So we got the same answer with FX82ms. For our second step, just follow the procedure in the first step. In the column X, enter the sounding value. In column Y, enter the corresponding value of volume at a trim of -2.5 meters. If you did it right, then your answer should be 13.06 cubic meter. For the final step, press the Mode button. Then press number 3. And select number 2. Enter the trim of 2.0 and disregard the negative sign. Then press the equal button. Then enter the trim of 2.5, disregard the negative sign. Press the equal button. Next, use the cursor to bring the shaded rectangle in the column of Y, along the row of 2.0. Then enter 13.126. And press the equal button. Next, enter 13.06. And press the equal button. So this is what it looks like on your screen. Then press the AC button. Next, enter the required trim, which is 2.35. Then press the Shift button. Then press number 1. Next, press number 5. Then press number 5 again. And press the equal button. Our final answer is 13.0798 or 13.080 cubic meter. So we got the same answer. Since this is just a volume, we need to find the mass of the ballast water. And the formula is mass is equal to volume times density. So mass is equal to volume, which is 13.080 cubic meter, times the density of the ballast water inside the 4-peak tank, which is 1.016 tons per cubic meter. Cancel the unit cubic meter. The actual mass is 13.289 tons. This is the mass of the ballast water inside the 4-peak tank at a sounding of 156 centimeters, with a relative density of 1.016. To find the vertical center of gravity or VCG and the free surface moment, kindly check the link in the description for the continuation of this video. Thank you for watching.